What's up, you guys? So today I'm gonna be doing a daily vlog at the shop. I'm gonna show you guys what goes on at the shop and my haircuts throughout the day. I've never done this before, so this is gonna be a first time experience for me. I hope you guys enjoy this. So. Jared, my man.
First vlog or what?
Nah, somebody just told me I should do this, so I was like,
For real?
yeah.
Hold on, let me say hi to the viewers first.
Anything you suggest for this beautiful morning?
Hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency. Taking some clients that you would. Hey, it's about to die.
I know it's about to die. Can I borrow a battery? It's about to die. Can I borrow a battery? My boyfriend Oda, what's up? What you doing?
It's good, bro.
Any motivation this morning?
Get that shmoney, that's all I gotta say.
Money. Get that money. Can't even see you. How's it going, baby?
How's it going?
What's up? Any motivation for today?
Hey man, I'm gonna just get it, you feel me?
He's gonna get it. My boy Memo, how's it going, man?
Just tired.
Yeah?
Still trying to wake up.
Have any motivation for the viewers today?
Yeah, just keep going, man. You know, you can't really talk much.
My man Jorge.
What's up, Arlen?
How's it going? How's your morning?
Let me style my hair first.
boy, you, I can barely see you. You blend in. I'm just kidding, man.
Shut up.
What's up, man? This is my client Noah right here. What's up, bro?
I would say two passes first.
No.
What kind of haircut you gotta get today, bro?
Same thing that you always give me.
Yeah, what's that, huh?
Whatever you give me,
Yeah?
fade the size.
Yeah?
Biggie, okay.
You got Instagram? What's up?
Yeah.
What is it?
I got this. I got this.
Hey, you be quiet.
I would go M&M next.
Noah. Follow the spam. Noah_boat_spam.
Noah Bowl? Like Manute Bowl?
No.
Like Manute Bowl?
Noah_boat_spam.
Alright, so text me that later. Alright,
I
man.
got Drake at number one.
Drake?
One.
Hands down, Drake is number one. Drake is number one.
Okay. I wrote it out.
That goes
If
like.
we talking about today's time
No, okay, no.
and back then,
And back then,
Drake
like,
is number one. You
Top
cannot
5,
deny
though, top
Drake.
5. Like,
What?
You can't deny Drake.
back then and today, bro.
What?
Drake, number one.
Okay, and who?
Drake.
Who?
Drake. What? Who's next? I want to hear this. Oh my God! You put Drake before Pop. You're high. You're high.
Okay, what's next? Come on, Jerry.
You cannot deny Drake.
Oh my God, Drake.
What's up, y'all? As you can tell, I cut my hair off, you know. Had to get rid of the curls, you know. Cut it down to a 6, did a mid, drop fade, you know, no hooks, you know. But that daily vlog, it was, I actually like doing it. It was just really hard work to do, but if you guys want to see more of that, let me know and comment below. I'm open to suggestions, especially in my YouTube, because I want to have this variety of everything, you know, doing vlogging, tutorials, everything. So let me know what y'all think or what I should do in the future, because I listen to all you guys and I read every single thing. Especially on my Instagram, a lot of people told me what I should do, like vlogging, favorite clippers or my favorite liners. I also got this from a guy. Let me he told me to do a daily vlog at the shop. Let me read his name down below. So the person's name, his name is Angel1_. Thank you so much for giving me that idea to do a daily vlog. I appreciate you a lot. Keep coming with those open suggestions. And also, if you guys want to know where I get, you know, my combs, my clipper combs, my clippers, my liners, let me know and comment below. And also, at 5,000 followers, I will be doing a giveaway. So until then, just keep watching my videos. Type in on the comment section below what made you become a barber, or what made you be inspired to be a barber. So, like I said, at 5,000 followers or subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So keep that in mind, y'all. A giveaway, I don't know what it'll be yet. It's probably gonna take me a while to get to 5,000. So bear with me, y'all, and stay tuned.